Hello, welcome to the BCI2000 Installation tutorial. BCI2000 is a software suite for brain-computer interface research. It is commonly used for data acquisition, stimulus presentation, and brain monitoring applications. More information can be found on the BCI2000 wiki page under System Features. This video will walk you through the procedure of installing the developer version of BCI2000. First, we want to install 4 essential programs for obtaining BCI2000. Tortoise SVN for installation version control, CMake for creating project files for Visual Studio, Visual Studio for compiling solution files, and Qt for generating the BCI2000 user interface. All 4 programs can be found and downloaded for free online. Please follow the procedures described in this video to install the software. To install Tortoise SVN, make sure that all features are selected to be installed on the local hard drive. To install CMake, choose Add CMake to System Path for all users. To install Qt, skip the account settings and choose the MSVC2017 with 64-bit, as we have Visual Studio 2017 installed. To install Visual Studio, only install the C++ package for desktop development. After installation of the 4 programs is complete, we can create an account on the BCI2000 wiki page. If Tortoise SVN was installed correctly, you will be able to right-click on the desktop and enter the repository as shown. In this tutorial, we will install BCI2000 on the desktop. After clicking OK, enter the BCI2000 account you just created. After the download, you will be able to see the BCI2000 folder. Let's now open the home directory and start the configuration. Open the build folder and run configure.sh. Click Add Entry and follow the instructions in the video. Make sure the file is grouped, and in Configure, select Visual Studio 2017 with x64 platform. Now select your desired project files and click Generate. Of the new files created in the Build folder, we will run the BCI2000 solution file and compile it with Visual Studio. Check the version of your solution file and select Release Version. Click Build Solution. In the end, it is common to have errors from some outside projects, as they may have been developed in different environments. These errors can be ignored if you are not intending to use one of these outside projects, as they will not affect the running of BCI2000. Close Visual Studio. We can test run BCI2000 with the P300 Speller program with the signal generator to confirm that BCI2000 was compiled correctly. More information about the installation procedures of BCI2000 is available on our wiki page. Thank you for watching our video.